How to activate Lloyds Bank credit card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can activate Lloyds Bank credit card online. For this, you want to open up any web browser and search for Lloyds Bank credit card activation. Then click on the option of activate your credit card. Once you do that, you will be taken to this web page. Here, you want to click on activate your credit card option. Now you will have to enter some details in order to activate your credit card. Start by entering your credit card number. After that, you want to enter your date of birth. For that, you want to select your day, month, and year from these drop downs. Next, you want to select the expiration date of your credit card. Go ahead and do that. Once you have entered all the details, click on the Activate option. After the verification, your credit card will be successfully activated. Once it has been activated, you will receive a confirmation via SMS or email. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.